Hi, everybody. Happy Friday. I'm really excited to show everybody something that is in my room that we just started using this week at Colonial Academy, and I wanted to share it with my elementary students as well. So I wanted all of you to take a look at it. So come with me. We're going to take a look. So I'm just walking around my room here. It's a little bare right now because of COVID. I don't have a lot of decorations up. So if you don't see a whole lot, that's why. I'm going to try and turn my camera here, and I'm going to back my computer up so that you can see the whole thing. I'm also going to move in a little bit. So I don't know if you can see exactly what's happening, but I have a 3D printer in my room right now that is on loan from IU21, which is our neighboring intermediate unit, and it's through a grant through the Da Vinci Science Center in Allentown, as well as IU21. And it allows us to have some technology in the art room, which is the coolest thing ever. This is a 3D printer. Right now it's printing with a clear plastic, and it is making a shark. That's going to be a 3D object that I can hold in my hand. And I'm just going to hold this here. Pardon the mess behind you, or behind my screen here. I'm holding a lion in my hand right now, if you can see that. And this is all plastic. You can see this kind of honeycomb design, like a beehive. That's what's on the inside of this. I'm going to turn it around here. It's kind of shiny with the way the plastic looks. So the 3D printer made this lion yesterday. Really cool. I also have ribbit. I have a frog as well. I did not make these designs, but they were available to use as a test print. So I tried it out because, of course, we were curious about this printer and how it might work. If you take a look, you can kind of see the plastic on the frog looks shiny, but if you look very carefully, you can see the layers that the printer used to build this shape. Maybe that's a better angle. So the printer starts by working on the bottom of the design, and then it builds layer by layer, and it's going around and doing that right now to build a shark. And it is just so cool. So what I would like you to try and do today is go online. I'll post some videos in the online art room for you to check out. I will also post the 3D printing software because your classes will be able to try this out as well. And yes, you can get a 3D object and I can mail it to your school, which is really, really awesome. So I will send info about that. I just wanted to give you a heads up as far as how this printer is working and what it's doing here. So keep an eye out in the art room for some info. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Bye-bye, everybody.